Look at this beautiful view. Okay, so as you can see, we're on top of a school, you know, doing them parkour just to get up here for you guys to have some beautiful clips. Oh, hey, a car just went by. So, yeah.
You have good lighting? Like, what the fuck?
No, I have shitty lighting. Here, but wait. We can come over here to where this light is and show them what we climbed. So, right here is going to be better lighting. But yeah. We climbed up. We climbed up all of that.
Right there, we were like half assaulted. I don't know if you can see that because this camera's a piece of crap, but.
So yeah, that's a pretty good parkour wall to climb. Don't forget to hit my boy Aiden Howe ? He'll be up here recording this with me too. So here's another shot.
This is actually probably like 15 feet up.
Should we show them what's up the stairs over there?
Okay, let's go. Is there a light on that classroom?
No, it's just reflecting from over there. That light there, it's reflecting right off there. Okay. Okay, here's the higher up part. So yeah, this is a bit of the inside right here. Look at that art. So yeah. Either the sunlight's on the top of the park. I mean the top of the school. So yeah, I'm gonna give you guys another clip of how freaking high this is. So look, we're all the way up this way up here. I climbed that whole brick wall there, and right here, I see that's a pretty good shot. I don't care if someone sees me. I'm getting some shots of like. Wait, what? In, I was. So yeah, we're pretty much just up here for a mini vlog. Yeah, I could get up there, but probably not today. So yeah, there's just lights everywhere. I'm gonna go catch up with my bro. Yo, Aiden! Shit. Aiden! So, yeah, let me just show you what's over here. There's another school over there and another school over there. So, yeah, got some nice little stars. So, yeah. Also, this street here is pretty busy, actually, so, if you ever find this school... Oh shit, there's a car! Aiden, there's a car! Okay, we're clear. Again, just look at this. This is pretty high, actually. So, I'm gonna go head over to my bro. And you get any good clips? Do you ever get that moment where you spit and you hiccup at the same time? Comment down below if you ever have, and if you don't like it. I currently do have the hiccups right now, and yeah. Comment down below if you want a part 2 of me coming up here. Sorry if it's not the best, but I'm really trying. So, look at that school right there. That is a high school. Oh wait, is that a computer on? There's a computer. Aiden, the smartboard's on in that classroom. What? The smartboard's on in that classroom.
No, that's just through the window of the door.
To me, it looks like the smartboard's on.
No. This is pretty fun, actually. But seriously, don't do this because you'll get a lot of shit.
I've been caught quite a bit, but you know, I still go up here. I want to get a better camera so I can show you guys
come here at, like,
better lighting.
Brighter out for another video.
Look, that's cool.
I'm gonna drop my camera down here and go get it.
There's a random box.
Probably just for sand or something.
No, for the outro, you can drop them down there.
Yeah, just drop your fucking phone down there, dumbass.
Exactly. Or we can just jump down with the camera.
Yeah, sure, I'll just jump off the roof so there's no lighting.
Exactly.
They won't see shit, they'll just stare at the screen.
Then fine, we should just come here, like,
Yeah, I know.
tomorrow. At like 5.
Okay, hold on.
If you're wondering what those dots are right there,
Because we're retarded.
ooh, look at the moon. Shit. Yo, there's lights right there that are coming from that house right there. So, wait, what happened? Oh yeah, it just happened over there to me. Should we head back now?
Hey, should we drop our cameras down like dumbasses?
I don't know. Do you want to? Oh shit.
You got a phone. I actually have a camera. I feel like the music is gonna fade in.
Pretty much this whole video is gonna be like just complete blackness, and you're gonna listen to us talk.
Yeah, but we'll probably do this for another video.
Oh, hey Aiden, look at those clouds right there. There's like an airplane.
Wow, I've never seen that. Can we drop this down here?
Sure.
Bye, guys. Oh shit, I feel like this is gonna break.
Wait, your camera?
Yeah.
It's already broken, so.
Dumbass, shut up. It's gonna